Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. Today in this video we are going to see an important scholarship sponsored by Piaggio. Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi, the scholarship for undergraduate non-technical, that is BBA, BA, BAC, BCom, then engineering and medical courses for the year 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Yes, Piaggio. Everyone knows the Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi, the scholarship for undergraduate non-technical engineering and medical courses, and the deadline for this scholarship is 31st March. So today we have 26. So now hardly 5 days are remaining. So I just got notice yesterday that there is a scholarship is there who is going to close within a 5 days. So I thought today I can share this video with you. So this is the special Piaggio who is manufacturing the three-wheeler rickshaws, and this special scholarship is given support for meritorious students of underprivileged families, and their parents are been working as the drivers, or they are the owners of three-wheeler community. So for them, this is the scholarship has been sponsored by Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi. This scholarship has given. The intention of that particular company has been clear. They are manufacturing the three-wheeler rickshaws, and so they are giving a scholarship for those parents who are having or owner of three-wheelers, or they are drivers on these three-wheelers. So for them, this is the scholarship, and there is a wide scope of this scholarship. Undergraduate non-technical, BA, BSc, BCom, then engineering and medical. For these courses, they are giving the scholarship, and in this scholarship, those who have passed the 12th standard, 50% free reimbursement or up to 20,000 per year for their studies in the class for undergraduate class, whether it may be 3 years or it may be a 4 year, depending upon the course. So here scholarship will be given, and in that scholarship 80% will be the total fee will be reimbursement, which will be equivalent to maximum will be 20,000 per year. This will be the given scholarship, and in this the Piaggio is the vehicles is the 100% subsidy of Piaggio Group from the Italy. The Piaggio is leading player in the light transport industry with a complete range of three-wheelers, diesel, petrol, CNG and PNG fuel variants, and enter the electrical vehicle market. So that is the background of this particular company is there, and this company is around 50 countries. So that is the wide their market is there, and there are around 2.9 million satisfied customers across India. They are there, and this is one of the important responsibility as per the central government, that is corporate social responsibility initiatives. 3% of the profit they will be sharing for the social cause, and in this company is giving a scholarship for the students to for making the welfare of the downtrodden families. Now the important criteria for this scholarship. This will be open for all students. Yes, this will be open for children's or the wards of the drivers. This is a very important. So if your parents are drivers or owners are three-wheelers, then you are eligible. This is the one condition. No caste, religion, nothing will be there. So here the first condition will be there. Your father will be a driver or owner of a three-wheeler community. The second important condition, they should be past 12th standard current year and at least 55% marks, and they enrolled in undergraduate courses, that is the non-technical courses, BA, BSc, BCom, then engineering or medical. at recognized institutes in India. And the very important one, the last important condition in this category is that the annual income of the annual income of the family should be less than 3 lakh rupees. So the first condition will be there, your father will be a driver or owner of a three-wheeler community. Second one, the 12th current year he has to pass at least by 55% marks. And the third one, they have to be enrolled in undergraduate non-technical engineering and medical course in a recognized institute in India. And the next one, the family income, annual family income should be less than the 3 lakh rupees. If these conditions are fulfilled, then the next one, it comes out. So here the next one, benefit. The 80% of the total fee reimbursement or maximum up to 20,000 per year, the scholarship will be given for that total course. The undergraduate course, whether it will be a 3 years or a 4-year course is there. Now, what are the documents are required for this particular scholarship? Passport size photograph of the applicant, Aadhaar card, the class 12th mark sheet, fee receipt of the current year where he has taken the admission, vehicle RC. Yes, if you are the owner of, your father is the owner of the vehicle, three-wheeler vehicle, auto rickshaw, then he has to have the vehicle RC is required, the commercial driving license is required, and the family income proof, that is Form 16 or income certificate issued by the government authorities or salary slip or ITR. Any one of this will be required as your family proof. Now, how you can apply? So, we can directly go to the portal of Buddy for Study. This is the scholarship portal is there. You can go over there and register ID with your name, with the help of your email ID or mobile number or Facebook or Gmail. With this, you can open, register yourself on the Buddy for Study on the scholarship portal, and from there you can you can apply for the Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi, this scholarship. So number of scholarships are coming regularly, so you can apply in that. So this is the best way to get this scholarship. So varieties are there, non-technical courses, medical is there. So those students who are there, who are eligible for this particular scholarship, they can go for this one. And those viewers and subscribers, please kindly pass on this particular scholarship to the appropriate students so that they can apply for the scholarship and complete their dreams, complete their education, and they can get a good job to support their families. I request the NGOs also, they knows everything about this families which are less than the income which are there, 3 lakhs. So these NGOs are working in that areas so that they can trace out the proper students and try to sit with them and fill their applications and within the deadlines. Thank you. Have a nice day.